In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer videos from Dropbox. Whether you're sending a cherished memory video to a loved one or sharing a crucial clip with colleagues, Dropbox makes it straightforward. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to Dropbox.com. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Dropbox, you can easily create an account in just a few simple steps. Now that you're logged in, you're in the perfect place to start organizing and sharing your files effectively. Next up, take a look at your screen and locate the New button. This should typically be towards the upper section of your dashboard or near the file management options. Go ahead and click on it. Why? Because this is going to give you access to several options for managing your files, including creating a new folder, uploading files, and most importantly for us, starting a transfer. Once you've clicked New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select the option that says Transfer a Copy. This is where the magic begins. This feature allows you to share a file or folder without giving someone access to your entire Dropbox, which is really convenient and keeps your data secure. After selecting to transfer a copy, you'll need to find the specific video file you want to share. Navigate through your files until you spot what you're looking for, then simply click on it. If your Dropbox is filled with lots of files, don't worry, you can always use the search bar to locate your video more efficiently. Once you've selected your video, you'll be prompted to hit Choose. This confirms your selection and prepares it for transfer. Make sure it's exactly the one you want to share because this is the point where those final decisions are locked in. Now it's time to click on Create Transfer. This will bundle your file into a handy shareable link. Dropbox will hoist your video up and prepare it for delivery. It's as simple as that, no complex steps or unnecessary hoops to jump through. With your transfer created, it's time to send it off. You can copy the link to your clipboard and share it via text or message however you'd like. Alternatively, Dropbox also allows you to send this link directly to someone's email. This flexibility makes sharing files as easy as pie. Finally, should you wish to keep track of where your videos are going, you can click on Manage Your Transfers. Here you'll see all your active transfers, making it easy to stay organized and in control. And there you have it, a complete guide to transferring videos from Dropbox. Now you can share your videos quickly and securely, ensuring your files reach who they need to without any hassle. Happy sharing!